Welcome to the policypass video training module on the toilet and nappy changing policy. This policy ensures safe, hygienic and respectful toilet and nappy changing routines that support every child's health, dignity and development. The aim of this policy is to maintain high standards of hygiene and infection control, promote children's dignity, privacy and agency at all times, support learning, independence and self-help skills during care routines, and foster strong communication and collaboration with families. Implementation includes following strict hand hygiene and cleaning procedures before and after each routine, using gloves and PPE, and sanitising all surfaces and equipment between children, supervising children closely and never leaving them unattended on change tables, and using nappy change and toileting times for positive, respectful interactions. Management responsibilities include providing compliant, well-maintained facilities and adequate supplies, ensuring all staff receive regular training and support on safe, respectful routines, reviewing and updating policy and procedures in consultation with families and staff, and monitoring hygiene practices and incident records for continuous improvement. Educators and staff are responsible for adhering to all hygiene, safety, and supervision procedures, respecting each child's privacy, dignity, and individual needs, encouraging children's participation and independence in routines, and communicating with families about routines, progress, or concerns. Families are responsible for providing up-to-date information about their child's routines and needs, supplying labelled nappies, wipes, creams, and spare clothing as required, collaborating with educators on toilet learning and care plans, and collecting soiled items and communicating any concerns promptly. By working together, we create a safe, respectful and supportive environment for every child's care and development. Thank you for watching this training module on the toilet and nappy changing policy. Let's continue to uphold best practice in hygiene, dignity and partnership to support every child's well-being.